Hello बच्चों, so let's read the question. The question says match the columns and find out the correct combination. पहले कॉलम में दिया हुआ है ATP, RuBisCO, RuBP, glucose and 3-PGA. Second column में दिया हुआ है huge enzyme complex that brings carbon dioxide and 5 carbon sugar together. Second is product of photosynthesis. Third is 3 carbon sugar that gives the nickname of the Calvin cycle. Fourth is the currency of the cellular energy, and fifth is the 5 carbon sugar that fixes carbon dioxide in the Calvin cycle. So the key concept for this question is the C3 cycle. C3 cycle is also called the Calvin cycle. So basically C3 cycle में सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है कार्बन फिक्सेशन. इस रिएक्शन में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज बेसिकली it reacts with RuBP to form phosphoglyceric acid, और ये होता है in the presence of an enzyme called the RuBisCO. RuBisCO basically stands for bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. This is basically a 4 subunit. It is a 4 subunit enzyme, and it is present in the chloroplast stroma. Second reaction जो होता है is the reduction reaction. Second step is the reduction. इसमें जो 3-PGA molecules बनते हैं, the 3-phosphoglyceric acid बनते हैं इसमें. ये 3-phosphoglyceric acid, they are converted into simple sugars such as glucose in this reaction. This stage basically obtains energy from ATP and NADPH during the light dependent reactions of photosynthesis. Third stage जो होता है is called the regeneration stage. Regeneration stage में जब the glyceraldehyde three phosphate molecules produced by the reduction of 3-PGA, ये glyceraldehyde 3 phosphates, some are used to produce glucose and some regenerate, or they get recycled to regenerate the RuBP acceptor. So coming back to the question में पहले कॉलम में दिया हुआ है ATP. So ATP we know is the currency of cellular energy. So A का हो गया 4, इन दोनों में A का 4 दिया हुआ है. Then RuBisCO जो होता है, RuBisCO is basically a huge enzyme complex that brings carbon dioxide and a 5 carbon sugar together. 5 कार्बन शुगर मतलब यहाँ पे RuBP की बात हो रही है. RuBP और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कंबाइन करके 3-PGA बनाता है. So B का हो गया 1. Then C is given RuBP. RuBP is basically the 5 carbon sugar that fixes the carbon dioxide in the Calvin cycle. So C का हो गया 5. Then D is glucose. Glucose is basically the product of photosynthesis. So D का हो गया 2. And 3-PGA is the 3-carbon sugar that gives the nickname of the Calvin cycle. इसे C3 cycle इसलिए बोलते हैं because the first stable compound is a C3 acid. So E का हो गया 3. So the final answer for this question is option A. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.